Big Data London is a very focused event. It brought all kinds of vendors together to really discuss the issue of building data-driven companies. Data is the asset that's involved in every company, and everyone is trying to push data as fast as they can to get to real-time data to end users. And that's what this show is all about, is how companies are enabling that. I'm Steve Catanzano, Senior Technology Industry Analyst for the Enterprise Strategy Group. Enterprise Strategy Group is really focused on being very tactical with companies. So we are an analyst firm, we do a lot of content creation, and we really focus on helping people tell their message and tell their story. And whether that's at the top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel, lead generation, that's what we really focus on. Events like this are really important to the industry because it's bringing a lot of awareness to companies on the different solutions that are available to them, some of the challenges that exist in data movement, and how companies can overcome those challenges.
Data Mesh really embraces the reality of data landscapes today, that data is decentralized.
Speakers come in and talk about how clients are starting to really understand the data mesh and start to use the data mesh internally. So it's a good challenge for us to understand how we can apply our technology to help you with that challenge.
One of the great things about shows like this is I get a chance to meet up with some really great industry experts and talk about the themes that they're seeing.
So I'm seeing big data and the use of analytics to be a bit more of a strategic asset for organizations to harness rather than a tactical asset. I'm seeing organizations putting it right into their strategy, into their annual reports, and really starting to think about it from a strategic perspective.
I would say a lot of people are talking about AI ML. That's the natural trajectory of data. It was data-driven insights. It was real-time data. Now it's AI ML.
They're leveraging the combined data and the AI and predictive models that they can put on top of that to better maximize their supply chain, make sure that there is less waste so that they are going to be greener in the future.
A lot of people are going beyond just the machine learning part itself. It's about operations, it's about cataloging data, and I think this is something which keeps me exciting because this means we're actually moving on the side where we operationalize analytics and machine learning and actually create value out of it.
One of the things I think we're hearing a lot at the show is the reality that if companies aren't really getting involved in machine learning and AI, they're really falling behind. It's becoming a real competitive advantage for companies, and it's a gap widening between the companies that are really engaged with that and the companies who aren't quite there yet. The future of big data really is focused on about everything being real time. Instantaneous data, no matter what it is, at the consumer level, at the business level, making business decisions, at partner level. It really is about getting data to the end user as fast as possible. And not only getting the data there, but it has to have good governance. It's got to be clean data. It's got to be the right data. It's been great interviewing all of these industry experts this week. For full coverage, see the link on the screen.